Good morning, guys. I'm just having my morning coffee here. I'm actually having a fan blow on me as I'm sitting here. And another crocheting project I want to share with you. Isn't this a pretty stitch? I'll be putting up a tutorial on how to do this one. I don't know the name of it. But I was actually talking to someone and I was going to make some scarves for breast cancer awareness. And just just for fun. And so these are those infinity scarves. And you know how a lot of places you have to wear like a certain color on a certain day. So I thought this might be a nice idea for people to give to others for Christmas. Now this one here I made out of baby yarn. I had made another pink one too if you are interested in looking back at that. But this is just baby yarn, and then I used this yarn right here. So it was pretty quick and easy. And so if you're looking for ideas to give for people for Christmas, or you like to wear infinity scarves, I heard that if you're cold, that which I get cold once the snow really starts flying here, that just having something on your neck is good. And then, of course, I'm always in and outside all day doing stuff. You can even pull it over your head like this to cover your ears if you have to go outside for a minute. So especially you girls out there that are like working on homesteads and farms, and or maybe you have kids that go outside and play and you have to go in and out, to check on them. This might work for you, you busy people out there, right? So anyway, this is another infinity scarf. Just want to share a project I made. I hope you enjoy this. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.